All right, here we got this '06 Chevrolet Tahoe, and here we are working on this part right here. This is a wheel hub assembly. You can see here this part is completely shot, completely damaged. Basically you can see all the way through, and this is basically a wheel hub replacement. So if you are looking for someone to do your service, we can do it for you. Here we got the new hub assembly ready to go, ready to get installed. Like I said, this is how the part's supposed to look, and you can see how bad is was this one here. So we are located in North Houston. For your convenience, we can replace it on this car or basically any car. So give us a call, set up your appointment, and we can do it for you. Thanks a lot.